This video walks you through how to record vendor discounts in QuickBooks. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, start by selecting the plus Create button. This opens the menu for new transactions and entries. From there, choose Vendor Credit. This is the form used to record a discount, credit, or reduction from a vendor so it can be applied correctly in your books. Once the vendor credit form opens, go to the vendor field and select the vendor that provided the discount. Make sure you choose the same vendor connected to the bill you plan to pay later, since the credit must be tied to that vendor in order to apply it. Next, enter the date of the vendor credit. Use the date that matches the discount or credit from the vendor. If the vendor supplied a reference number or credit memo number, enter that in the Ref No field. If there is no reference number, you can leave that field blank. In the memo field, enter a short description of the discount. This can help identify the reason for the credit when you review vendor activity later. Keep the wording clear enough that you can recognize it at a glance. Now move down to Category Details. Select the account you use to record vendor discounts. This account should match the way your company tracks these reductions in expenses or payables. After choosing the account, enter a description for the discount on that line, then enter the amount as a positive number. Be careful not to enter the amount as a negative number, since the vendor credit form already handles the transaction as a credit. If tax information appears on the form, enter the applicable tax details before saving. Use the tax treatment that matches the vendor credit document, so the transaction is recorded consistently with the original bill or discount notice. When all of the details are in place, select Save and Close. This records the vendor credit in QuickBooks and makes it available for use when you pay that vendor. The final part happens when you are paying the vendor's bill. Open the bill payment for that same vendor, then look for the available vendor credit and select it so it is applied toward the amount due. This reduces the payment by the value of the discount and links the credit to the bill within the vendor record. Thanks for watching. The vendor discount is now recorded as a vendor credit and ready to apply to the vendor's bill.